Introducing Shiroi, the new short course truck from Team Corrali. Its aggressive short course styling, molded roll cage, and detailed bodywork give it true scale presence, while the balanced layout, braced chassis, and precision suspension deliver the kind of control and response you expect from a high-performance A-scale machine. The aggressive short-course body features sharp lines and race-inspired details, paired with molded front and rear bumpers that complete the rugged, functional design. A molded roll cage and interior add scale realism from every angle. Add in the black multi-spoke wheels wrapped in custom Mudclaws SC tires, and Shiroi delivers a tough, true-to-scale appearance that stands out wherever you drive. Built on the backbone of Team Corrali's most trusted A-scale designs, Shiroi comes equipped with a 3mm laser-etched aluminum chassis reinforced by the same hybrid brace system found in the Kagama. At both ends, all-new 5mm shock towers support bash-proven, all-terrain big-bore shocks. The updated composite side guards complete the layout, adding structural rigidity. The front and rear suspension layout is built entirely around strength. 8mm aluminum pin holders are mounted directly to the chassis for a rock-solid connection. The composite arms, proven on the Spark, handle rough landings with ease. Up front, pillow ball steering blocks work together with oversized rear hubs, while durable camber and steering links keep the geometry locked in. Front and rear anti-roll bars help to reduce chassis roll and keep the suspension balanced in corners. The drivetrain is built for smooth power delivery and long-lasting performance, and features 3 fluid-filled differentials with CNC spiral-cut metal gears. Hardened S2 steel outdrives take care of the power transfer, supported by rubber-sealed ABEC 3 bearings throughout to minimize friction and improve top speed. The adjustable aluminum motor mount houses the center differential, which comes standard with a 52-tooth spur gear. Adjustable body posts include integrated tower protectors, while the front and rear bumpers go beyond looks. Their flexible structure helps absorb impact when things get rough. Shiroi also features a double-deck steering system, a central support tower, and a reinforced battery tray. Shiroi is available in 2 versions to suit your build style. The ready-to-run model comes pre-assembled with Team Corrali's trusted electronics package, including the Curon 2050 kV 4-pole brushless motor, a Torox 185-amp ESC, a high-speed CT2R 2.4 GHz radio system, and a Varioprop 25-kilogram metal-geared steering servo. Prefer to build your own setup instead? The Roller Edition gives you the same reinforced chassis and premium components ready for your choice of electronics. Shiroi brings together scale looks, 6S power, and proven performance in one aggressive package. Whether you're hitting jumps, blasting through corners, or pushing limits on rough terrain, this is short course the way it should be. Choose your version. Take control. Shiroi is ready. Team Corrali, engineered to be the fastest, built to dominate.